If you have around $300 to spend and you're looking to get a certification that focuses on networking, 99% of the time, you should focus on the Cisco CCNA. That certification, hands down, is going to be the most valuable certification that you can get that focuses on networking to help you not only get a job, but actually learn some skills that you can actually apply to said jobs. I get asked this question all the time from people. Every time I do a live stream, somebody's asking me if they should get the CompTIA Network Plus certification or what I think about the CompTIA Network Plus versus the Cisco CCNA certification. So that's what we're gonna break down in this video, and I'm gonna give you the honest truth, like I always do. And we're gonna supply some real world statistics here to back up what we're talking about today. So let's get into it and talk about the CompTIA Network Plus versus the CCNA. Whether you're looking to get started in IT or transitioning in IT, the CCNA is probably the most valuable certification that you can get that is focused on networking. And the reason why I said 99% of the time you should focus on the CCNA is because there's like a 1% chance that you're gonna find a job out there that actually is looking for somebody who is CompTIA Network Plus certified. So if we look out on Indeed.com, we can actually get some results. You can see here on Indeed.com, if we look up Network Plus, we only have 1,700 jobs posted. And if we compare that to the CCNA, you can see that there's over 13,000 jobs posted. Now, don't get me wrong, the material that you can learn on the Network Plus is very valuable information. It's all fundamental based. So if you want to learn about the OSI model, you want to learn about IP addressing, you want to learn about subnets even, the Network Plus materials that you can find and that we'll talk about in this video can be of great help for you. So when you compare the price point to the CompTIA Network Plus and the CCNA, you can see that CompTIA certification is just a little bit more expensive, but the results that we're finding for jobs are a lot less. So in all reality, the most obvious choice here is the CCNA. And again, I'm not trying to knock CompTIA completely here, but I want you guys to have the most successful opportunities that you can, and obtaining the CCNA certification is one of those gold standard types of certifications that you can get that can really show that you have some capability to learn the things that you need to know in this field. Again, this is more networking focused, so if you're looking to get into a networking position, the CCNA is a great starting point for you. And if it's just about learning the fundamentals, yes, the CompTIA Network Plus certification can definitely help you learn the fundamentals, but again, if you're comparing the price point and the value of these certifications, it's definitely going to fall back to the CCNA. Now, one thing that Cisco does offer to you that CompTIA doesn't is that they actually provide to you training that you can go through their own training platform on Cisco's website. And you can actually go sign up on their academy, watch free videos, and you can get other study materials as well. CompTIA does not offer any free training. However, you can go to Professor Messer on YouTube, and he has free videos that cover pretty much all of the CompTIA Network Plus materials that you would need to know to pass that exam, or just to learn that information if that's what you're looking to do. If you're looking for something that's just a little bit more structured, I would highly suggest IT Pro TV. They have content that covers pretty much all of CompTIA and Cisco exams that are out there, and it's definitely worth the price. And if you use the coupon code ITCQ30, putting that on the screen now, that'll save you 30% off of the prices that you see here. So make sure you sign up for that if that's something you're interested in. IT Pro TV is what I use to help pass my CompTIA Security Plus, so definitely check them out if that's of interest to you as well. Now, whether you want to get Network Plus certified or CCNA certified, I highly suggest you go and download Cisco Packet Tracer either way, because you want to get hands-on experience. And Cisco's Packet Tracer does a phenomenal job of virtualizing pretty much everything that you can find in an enterprise environment. You know, to an extent, it's very much kind of fundamental based, but it actually will emulate the CLI, Cisco's command line interface for you. So you can actually get in there and do a lot of really cool things and learn more about real networking and what you'll actually be doing, which again is really what the CCNA would focus on more so than the Network Plus. It's just overall a more valuable exam. And again, I'm not completely hating on CompTIA here. I just want to set you guys up for success. And based on these results that we've seen here, I think the evidence speaks for itself. So whether you're looking to get into networking or you're just trying to gain the knowledge and get a certification that's going to help you become more marketable, the choice is yours, but I think you know the best option for you. So I wish you nothing but the best in your journey in this wonderful world of IT. And no matter what learning path you take, I highly suggest you guys check out the Cyber Mentor's 5-minute video on subnetting, because he will teach you how to subnet like no other platform does, period. Like, you will understand it in 5 minutes or less for sure. So I'll put a link to that in the description as well. And you can find everything else that we talked about in this video in the description below. I hope you found this video useful. And as always, take it easy.